To access Sora 2 for free, the first thing that you need to do is go to sora2.com that you can access to Chrome and Safari. As you can see, there is a button saying Start Creating Free, which means that when you press that button, you can go ahead and enjoy the features of Sora 2 free. As you can see, there is already a prompt that you can test if you're a first timer using the Sora 2 AI. So as you can see, it says body cam footage of cops arresting a dog stealing meant in Costco. As you can see, there is already a choose your plan. You don't have to mind that since sometimes it's appearing for the advertisement of their premium account. However, you can still go ahead and generate videos from the Sora 2 AI free. Just go ahead and sign in using your Google. And afterwards, once you have already pressed on the generate video with 100 credits, you use your 100 credits on creating image to video or an video to image depending on the prompts that you are going to test or do to Sora.